Lee Atwater, winning politics. Like a dirty game, politics, according to Lee Atwater, wasn't a polite chess match. It was a high-stakes poker game where bluffing, bold moves, and the occasional wild card could turn the tide. He didn't just play the game, he rewrote the rules, proving that perception often beats reality. Atwater understood something simple. In politics, as in life, the loudest voice isn't always right, but it's the one people remember. He mastered the art of spin, turning weaknesses into strengths and opponents' strengths into liabilities. Was it always pretty? No. Was it effective? Absolutely. Love him or hate him, Atwater's legacy teaches one thing: strategy matters. Whether you're running for office or just running late to work, remember, confidence, quick thinking, and a well-timed one-liner can take you far. Just maybe play a little cleaner.